Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of interactive game development, and we'll be harnessing the power of AI to make it happen. Coding might seem intimidating at first, but it's really just about giving instructions to a computer in a language it understands. And guess what? AI can help us with that. We are using AI to create the code for the game. Just like telling a computer code with a language that it knows, you will be telling AI what to tell the computer with a language that you know. Here is how it works. In the last video, we had the AI to create a tic-tac-toe game. This is done by prompting the AI. Let's dive in. In this video, we will be prompting the AI Copilot. You can use any AI of your choice, but we will be using Copilot in this video. Prompting is simply telling the AI what you want it to do. I could use Copilot on the web, and that would be fine. But for this project, I'm using the Copilot app right here in my taskbar. First, we need a story for our game. You can use any story, but today we'll give Copilot a prompt. I'm asking it to create a story about a Viking in Norway in the year 9/11. But the cool thing is, you can prompt any kind of story you want. Science fiction, fantasy, mystery. The possibilities are endless. It's crafted a story. Now I want to expand this a bit, so I'll tell Copilot to make it a 5-chapter story. After the AI created 5 chapters, I think our Viking needs a different name. We can have the AI change the main character's name. You can have it put other characters in also if you would like. I'll have the main character Eric the Unyielding. Now that the AI Copilot has created the story, we can copy this story and open a fresh chat with Copilot. This gives us a clean slate for our next prompt. You can code from here, but I don't want the AI to get confused. Now, after I've opened up a new chat, I'll prompt Copilot to code the game in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I will prompt the AI to code the game, and I'll paste the story into the prompt so it knows what to work with. I will also ask the AI to create the code on one page. Since I asked the AI to code in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the AI will create 3 sets of code. So here I instructed it to put the code all on one page. Once Copilot has generated the code, we can copy it and open Notepad. You can use other programs if you wish. After opening Notepad, we can paste the code. Then we can save the code by naming the file with .html. By using .html, you can open the file in the browser. I'm naming this file Viking game HTML. Once we have this saved, we can open the file in the browser. After playing the game, I want more content for each of the sections. So we can go back to the AI and ask it to add more content. Once the code is recreated, we can copy it again. Then go over to Notepad, highlight the old code, delete it, and paste in the new code. Then save the file again. Open the browser and refresh the game in the browser and then play the game. After playing the game for a moment, I would like to add an ending to the game. Going back to the AI, we will ask it to add an ending to the game. Once we have the updated code, it's the same process. We will copy the code, then go to Notepad, delete the old code, paste the new code into Notepad, save the file, and then go to the browser and refresh it. We have completed the game. You can adjust more content. I would recommend saving under a different file name so not to lose the one you have working.